Wanted to take a few minutes and talk about the weather this Monday evening and a web weather extra. Lots of colors showing up here on our alerts map this evening, and for good reason. Now, all of this takes our impact here at home into tomorrow morning. That's when I'm expecting the worst weather to move on in. I messed up. 3, 2, 1. Thanks for checking in on this web weather extra tonight as another winter storm system sweeps on in, this time changing our weather in a pretty big way over the next couple of days. But it's going to be a bumpy ride into those warmer temperatures, and that starts early tomorrow morning. Want to talk about the current alerts across northeastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania. Winter weather advisories up for Trumbull and Mahoning counties, and these continue across the border in western Pennsylvania as well. For Mercer and Lawrence counties, we have wind advisories up for Trumbull and Mahoning counties as well. And just issued later this evening here, now a freezing rain advisory up for Columbiana County. And that starts early tomorrow morning for all those alerts and advisories across the area. Now this evening, Doppler radar is very quiet, but out to the west, the snow showers are just starting here across parts of Indiana and making their way on to the east. So going to keep an eye on these as they do march off into Ohio as we go through the night. But this band will work its way off to the east as we go into 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. In fact, just a quick look here at Future Tracker for you. I'm going to show you as we get into tomorrow morning how this precipitation moves in. So as we look later tonight, by midnight, still maybe a stray flurry, but that's about it. Temperatures are going to fall into the low 20s, but we'll go ahead and move Future Tracker on out by 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. That's when I'm expecting some of that heavier snow to move in. And when I say heavy, I'm not looking for a lot of snow tonight, but we're going to go ahead and just brush the area with some snow here, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. And temperatures slowly starting to warm up for us. We get into a brief break first thing tomorrow morning, but notice how the temperatures are still below freezing all across the region. Now, we'll be getting close to 30 degrees, and that's the problem. Below freezing because warmer air is moving in a little higher in the atmosphere, and that's going to mix this precipitation over to some sleet, also some freezing rain first thing tomorrow morning before changing over to all rain as we go into tomorrow afternoon. And that's because those temperatures will continue to build not only through the 30s, but right on into the 40s here by later tomorrow afternoon. And that rain, well, it mixes over to snow showers. The other story for tomorrow is going to be the wind. Here's a look at 8 o'clock in the morning. A wind starting to gust up to 20 to 30 miles per hour. Now, there's the possibility tomorrow that wind gusts could jump up close to 40 miles per hour or higher here as we go into the afternoon. So that's also a concern into your Tuesday. So pretty much the bottom line, not expecting a tremendous amount of snow out of the storm system. But what will happen is this rain and snow mix will be in the morning and then go to rain by afternoon. The snow showers do develop later tonight, and here's the accumulations that I'm looking for. A trace to an inch through first thing tomorrow morning. Then we'll get a little break. Then snow over to that wintry mix, and that's sleet and freezing rain. Not expecting huge ice accumulations, but a little bit of icing a possibility here tomorrow morning. But that sleet and snow accumulation anywhere from a trace to up to 2 inches in some spots. And then that windy weather right into tomorrow afternoon. So this is a tricky storm system. It's going to be around, especially through early tomorrow morning. The overall forecast here for tonight into tomorrow. Well, temperatures falling into the low 20s this evening and then starting to climb later tonight. A trace to up to an inch into tomorrow morning. Getting a little better handle on this system into tomorrow morning as the models are starting to come together to try to pinpoint where we're going to see this wintry mix. But it's still possible 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. And there's a small chance that some of that lingers into tomorrow afternoon. A lot of snow on the ground. It'll help hold those temperatures down for a while. But eventually the warm air wins out and we'll climb into the low 40s here by the time we get into late tomorrow afternoon on into tomorrow evening. And watch for that wind tomorrow as it gusts up to 30 to 40 miles per hour. So there's a look at your 7-day forecast real quick. I won't hold you up all night. Just wanted to give you that quick update for your morning commute because you may want to give yourself a little extra time. Once we do get out of that wintry mix in the morning, you can expect warmer temperatures here over the next 7 days. Nothing frigid like what we had around over the past 4 to 5 days here at home, at least in the next 7 days. Thanks for stopping in here for our Web Weather Extra. Don't forget, you can always check on more weather information by downloading our app if you haven't done so already. You can get that at the App Store and also at Google Play. You can get updated radar. You can see the alerts that we're currently dealing with here tonight. They pop right up on your phone, or any alerts that may come out. You can get those messages sent to you, or you could pick which messages you want sent to you on our Storm Team 27 app. Stay safe into tomorrow morning, and thanks for spending a few minutes with me here this evening.